In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Godaddy draft website in just 5 minutes. Let's start with the basics. First, you need to sign into your Godaddy account. Head over to the Godaddy website and you'll see a sign in button prominently displayed on the page. Click on that and it will take you to a login screen where you should enter your username and password. Once you've entered your credentials, hit the sign in button again to access your account. After you've successfully logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile photo there. If you don't have a profile photo set, it might just be a silhouette icon. Go ahead and click on that. This action will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll find several options. From that menu, select Renewals and Billing. This is an important step as it takes you to where all your Godaddy products and services are listed, including any draft websites you might have created. Upon entering the Renewals and Billing section, you'll see a list of your products. Navigate through the list until you find the draft website you want to delete. Next to it, there will be 3 dots, usually indicating more actions are available. Click on those 3 dots. A submenu will appear, and you should look for the option that says Turn off Auto Renew. By turning off Auto Renew, you're ensuring that you won't be automatically charged for this product at the next billing cycle. However, this step alone doesn't delete the product. After turning off Auto Renew, you should now see an option to Delete My Product. This is the button you've been looking for. Go ahead and click on it. A confirmation page might appear asking you if you're sure you want to delete the product. In some cases, Godaddy will ask for feedback on why you're choosing to delete the product. Feel free to provide feedback if you wish, but it's usually optional. Now, Godaddy might require one last step to confirm the deletion of your draft website. They could send a confirmation email to the email address associated with your account. Hence, the next step involves checking a box acknowledging that you understand the product is being deleted and then clicking on Send Email. Once you do that, head over to your email inbox, find the email from Godaddy and follow any additional instructions provided to finalize the deletion process. But let's not forget about the little housekeeping within your Godaddy dashboard. Navigate back to your main dashboard by going to your Godaddy Ventures URL or simply by clicking on Dashboard from the Godaddy website menu. You'll want to ensure that there are no residual settings or preferences left over from the draft website you're deleting. Lastly, if you were experimenting with Godaddy's search engine visibility tool or any similar features, remember to discontinue those services too. These services often require setups or preferences related to the specific website you're working on. If you specified areas you serve or particular services like landscape photography galleries or specific types of photography websites, you'll want to remove or update these settings. To do this, navigate to the search engine visibility section in your Godaddy account. You might have set up specific keywords or search phrases like landscape photography gallery or wedding photography websites. Go through each of the setup steps, ensuring that you either delete or deactivate any settings specifically related to the draft website you're removing. This process is straightforward. Simply click on the features or phrases you want to change and follow the prompts to remove or edit them. Once you've followed through these steps, your draft website will be successfully deleted from Godaddy along with any associated settings or services. Remember, it's always a good idea to double check everything to ensure that the process has been completed to your satisfaction. Deleting a draft website might seem daunting at first, but as you can see, it's a straightforward process when you break it down step by step. Whether you're clearing the clutter, rebranding, or just starting over from scratch, keeping your digital space organized is key to maintaining a clear focus on your online ventures. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on managing your online presence effectively.